Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Light Seer's Pocket Tarot. This is by Chris Ann. It is 78 cards and a guidebook, retailing for $17.99, and it's published by Hay House. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this in the card deck club. If you have not seen that video, I'll link it in the eye, but this was one of the decks that was in the subscription box, so I'm so excited to get into it because the Light Seer's Tarot is one of my favorite tarot decks of all time. I use it so much with clients. It's just phenomenal. So I'm excited now to have it not only in a pocket size, but in a tin. Love it. Retailing for $17.99. As always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right. So the 78 card tarot deck is a healing tool and guide to explore both the light and shadow sides of our nature. The Light Seer's Pocket Tarot is an ideal companion as you seek to uncover the places in your life and in yourself that are most in need of illumination. All right. So already it is in a 10. Love that. Oh, are you kidding me? It is a full guidebook. It's not even like a little white book. Not me being completely shook. Okay. So excited right now. Okay, so I want to show you the guidebook. I was not expecting this, but we have all of the information here. It is not just a basic guidebook. Oh my gosh. Ton of information. It looks the same as the original. So we have upright and reversal information. She actually has the shadow and the light seer. So reversed would be the shadow meaning, and the light seer is the upright. I love this guidebook because there's a lot in here for beginners to help you with. So we have one card spread, a light and shadow spread, light worker illumination spread, calling in love spread, and the soul joy spread. And so, yeah, oh my gosh, it is the same thing, just condensed. I am so stoked right now. Okay, so we'll dive a little bit deeper. I'll show you how the guidebook reads after the flip through. In case nobody has experienced this tarot deck before, we're just going to flip through the whole thing. Okay, so cardstock, it is like the same cardstock as the original. It's on the thinner side, but I'm sure it's going to shuffle just fine. It is a matte, but there's some gloss there. Just because of the reflective situation, I'm going to say there's a little bit of gloss, but it looks the same. The colors are vibrant. Oh my gosh. And really good size too. It's not terribly tiny. I'm sure this will shuffle just fine. I have to say, this is like one of my favorite decks to work with because of just how many intuitive hits you get off of it. And the artwork is just stunning. I am so pleased with this pocket deck. I'm kind of going fast just to show you the essence of the deck and what it's about. And then I will show you the size comparison to the original. This deck just has such a wonderful energy about it. The vibe is down to earth. And it's very beginner friendly, especially with the guidebook. This sun card. Oh, love. All right, then we go into the wands. The minors are done really well. I'm excited to see how it shuffles. I still can't get over the full guidebook. I am so incredibly pleased. And what a great size to throw in your bag, your suitcase. I take my tarot decks with me every time I go anywhere because you never know. When I go visit family, it is the one thing that they always ask about. If I go visit friends, we always end up having readings around the table. So I always take a deck with me. And so I really do like having the 10 because it protects the cards. It's not going to get spill all over the place. So this deck I might take with me when I go to Disneyland. So yeah, I'm excited for this. What a great size to throw in my suitcase. And my little Loungefly backpack. Heck yeah. This Three of Swords always, like, the emotion in this, it stings when this one comes up. And this has to be one of my favorite Four of Swords ever. Just love the imagery. Its little face. And this is a great Eight of Swords as well. Love, love, love how the imagery is in this deck. And sometimes the Ten of Swords can be very brutal with the imagery, but with this one, I like how it's done. The emotion comes through, but it doesn't hurt the eyes, if you know what I mean. And Pentacles. I think Pentacles has to be one of my favorite suits out of this deck. This is so fun. The colors. I just love the stylizing of this deck. It's just, ooh. all around, I don't have any complaints about it. All right, let's see how this shuffles, and then I will show you a side-by-side of the original. All right, not too bad with this size. Okay. Look at that. Oh, there goes my hands. There we go. I have to push them in a little bit more than I do the regular size decks to shuffle. There we go. There. See, Natasha, you can do it. All right, let's get a card to read. All right, we're going to do the Five of Wands. But let me show you. This is the original. And my deck was a little bit wonky with the manufacturing. I kind of had a few different cuts of sizes, and there was some folds and stuff, but I feel like since I have used it, they have disappeared. Oh, you can kind of see with the glare there. But honestly, it gave the deck character, and I haven't had an issue utilizing it. So this is the size comparison. Okay, so it's like 2/3 of the deck size, card size. And the quality of the print and color is the same. Very well done. Very, very well done. Let me see if I sorted these out in the suits before the video. So let's see if I can find the Five of Wands here. So direct comparison. Nice. Yeah, and you could read the characters, you can read the energy, everything looks really good. I am super pleased. And just to show you the guidebook, like, that is awesome. I am so excited. Okay, so let's go to the Five of Wands here. And we'll read through it. So the Light Seer keywords: competition, conflict, ambition, challenge, being pushed by others to excel, brainstorming, mental jousting, adrenaline and aggression, surpassing limits, dynamic energy, and leveling up. Then the Shadow Seer side, keywords: an opportunity to collaborate, in-group fighting or arguments, being overly competitive, not following the rules, a tendency to avoid conflict to your detriment. All right, then a full message here. A little rivalry can be a good thing. It can push us to become the very best version of ourselves and to move quicker than we would if we were alone. Allow opposition and challenge to help you evolve your methods and to push beyond self-imposed limitations. If competition becomes unhealthy and you are experiencing the shadow side of conflict or ambition, it's time to take a step back and retreat from energies that are hindering your progress. Sometimes the need to be right or personal feelings around being questioned or challenged can interfere with the ability to see your path clearly. So you may need to fly solo for a bit in order to reevaluate your options. While clashing egos can slow everything down, they can also propel success. Choose to excel. Look for healthy competition or collaboration that inspires and motivates you. Learn from others and use competing energies as a way to enrich your experience. And then there's an affirmation for each card. I support others and they support me, and we rise together in accelerated harmony. All right, so real fast, I just want to see if it is the same message. Yep, just a little bit more spread out. Oh my gosh, I am over the moon. I am thrilled. I am so excited that this came out because, like I said, this is one of my favorite tarot decks ever. It's one that I highly recommend to people regardless of their level of utilization of tarot. whether they're a beginner or, you know, beyond experienced. This is a beautiful and wonderful deck. Highly, highly, highly recommend. So if you are like me, who like to take your tarot decks with you when you go anywhere, this I highly, highly suggest you check out and take a look at. And if you are in the card deck club, you will be receiving this if you have signed up prior to August 31st. This will come in your box. And if you are not involved in the card deck club with Hay House, I highly suggest you checking out my videos on that as well. I'll link it in the eye. So that way you can get pre-released decks before anybody else, and just to have a value of getting new decks too. So all that to say, I'm excited. I hope you are too. I'm going to turn it over to you guys now. Let me know what you think about this deck. What do you love about the Light Seer Tarot? Also, if you haven't checked out the Light Seer Tarot before, what are your thoughts about it now? Let me know all of it down below in the comment section, and leave me a sun emoji to let me know that you made it this far in the video. Thank you so much to Hay House for the card deck club and for allowing me to share this with everyone today. And thank you guys for hanging out with me. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.